Hello children, hope you all are well. We have met online after a long time and will continue to meet online for some time. Today we are going to start with our first chapter of EVS, that is my body. Okay, before we start with the chapter, I would like you to note down some points and pay attention. Today, next, pay attention during the whole session. And lastly, note the homework even at the end. Now, we are going to start with our first chapter, that is my body. Our body is a wonderful machine, right? It has many parts. So, do you know about the parts of the body? Okay. So the parts of the body are eyes, ears, nose, mouth, arms, shoulder, hands, legs, foot, toes. Okay, these are some of the parts of our body. It has many parts. Different parts of our body help us to do activity, different activity. For example, eyes we can see, ears we can hear. Similarly, brain we can think. Then stomach we can digest our food. So these are some of the example of different parts of the body and how they do activity. Okay, they are also called organs. Means our body parts are also known as organs. Our body parts are also known as organs. Okay, there are two types of organs. First is internal organs and second is external organs. Okay, what is internal organs? Internal organs are parts inside our body. Internal organs are parts inside our body. And external organs are parts outside our body. Okay? Now, in internal organ, which body part will come? That is heart, lungs, brain, liver, kidney, stomach. So this all are internal organs of the body part. Next is external organs. Which are the external organs? External organs includes all our sense organs. So sense organs are eyes, nose, mouth. Then next is skin. Right? This all are our external organs. Hands, legs. Okay, so you must be clear with internal organs and external organs. So today we have discussed about body parts, our body parts, and two types of organs, that is internal organs and external organs. I would like you to note down some hard words in homework. First is internal, INTERNAL, internal. Next is external, EXTERNAL, external. Next is ORGANS, organs. Okay. Next is HEART, heart. Next, KIDNEY, kidney. Then BRAIN, brain. Next, LUNGS, lungs. Then next, STOMACH, stomach. So these are some of the hard words that you have to learn and write for 5 times in your book. I hope you must be clear with internal organs and external organs. Thank you. Two types